Reading Mama. Do you remember N, R, is? Do you remember their best friends too? Let's see. I and am. You, they, we, and are. She, he, it, and is. With am, are, is, we can tell our feelings. Let's find out. Hi, I am Mia. I am 7 years old. It is my birthday. I am happy. It is a lovely day. It is sunny. It is a perfect day for a picnic, isn't it? Look at my dad. He is full. He is sleepy. Look at my mum. She is relaxed. He is asleep. And he is snoring. Oh, she is yawning. She is tired too. They are a basketball team. They won the game. They are excited. Oh, but they are hungry. They are thirsty. They are tired. I think they need something. You are my baby sister. You are so cute. You are adorable. Now you are smelly. You are loud. You need Mum. Mum, nappy change, please. We are thrilled. We are going to the fair. We are excited. It's going to be a great day. I am happy. You are cute. They are satisfied. He is not sleepy anymore. He is awake. She is feeling good. We are excited. Thank you, MRs. It was fun to talk about feelings. See you next time. Reading Mama.